Every great project begins with a vision. In the first meeting, ideas take shape as the client, architects, and engineers gather to plan and discuss possibilities. Every detail is considered, blueprints studied, and every model examined to turn imagination into a clear visual reality. Digital models allow the client to see the vision clearly, bridging imagination and reality, guiding the project from concept to execution. With trust and collaboration, the foundation for excellence is set. Every decision builds confidence in what is to come. On the untouched land, the team surveys the terrain, seeing its potential and imagining what can be created here. Precision and planning guide every step. Engineers measure, mark, and plan to ensure a strong foundation for success. The architect sketches the initial layout on site, while the client observes, turning concepts into plans ready for construction. Teamwork ensures no detail is overlooked. Engineers and architects discuss markers, align strategies, and refine the vision. From panoramic views to focused inspections, the project begins to take form, laying the groundwork for a luxurious 5-star hotel. In these early moments, the journey from vision to reality begins. Planning meets possibility, and dreams start their transformation. While the plans are set, the land quietly awaits the first signs of transformation as preparations begin to take shape. With the vision clearly defined and every plan approved, the land lies in quiet anticipation, bathed in the soft glow of the morning sun. The sun rises over the untouched terrain, casting long golden shadows that stretch across the open bush, revealing every gentle contour of the earth. Faint markers and flags signal the first steps toward what will soon become a masterpiece of architecture, hinting at the future transformation. Engineers walk the site, surveying with careful eyes, measuring, marking, and imagining the structures that will rise here. Machinery rests in the distance, waiting to awaken and shape the ground, while workers begin subtle preparations, moving with careful precision. Every inch of the land holds potential, and every detail matters as the warm sunlight spreads across the terrain, illuminating the promise ahead. The quiet hum of activity begins to fill the air, the measured lines, the distant tools, the subtle movement of the team shaping the first stages. The organized presence of engineers and surveyors hints at the coming changes, a silent promise of transformation in the making. The dream of a luxurious 5-star hotel is no longer just on paper. It is slowly stepping into reality, visible in the tiniest beginnings. From empty earth to the first stirring of activity, the journey continues, and the vision begins its emergence from imagination into construction, ready to take its first tangible form. With the land cleared and foundation lines carefully measured, construction begins, turning plans into action. Engineers oversee the placement of steel reinforcements as workers carefully pour concrete into the prepared trenches, every motion deliberate. Hands level, trowels smooth, and laser tools check measurements, ensuring the foundation will be strong and perfectly aligned. First signs of structure emerge as vertical columns and sturdy base beams are set in place, shaping the hotel's skeleton. Machinery moves rhythmically across the site, cranes lifting, trucks delivering, dust swirling in the golden morning sunlight. The rising sun casts long shadows over the site, highlighting the first tangible steps toward a luxurious 5-star hotel. Concrete slowly cures, solidifying the base that will support walls, rooms, and grand spaces, forming the backbone of the building. Engineers and workers move with precision, inspecting every corner, adjusting every detail, ensuring the foundation is flawless. The site buzzes with coordinated activity as the first elements of the structure rise, a harmonious dance of human skill and machinery. With each column and beam in place, the vision of the hotel transforms from imagination into reality, marking the start of a magnificent architectural masterpiece. With the foundation complete, the hotel begins to rise, and the skeletal structure of columns and beams stretches upward, forming the core of this magnificent 5-star building. Engineers move carefully along scaffolding, inspecting every joint and alignment, while workers pour concrete walls and secure steel beams with precise coordination. Cranes lift massive beams into place. Machinery hums across the site, and each worker's movement is deliberate, contributing to the growing structure. Sunlight streams over the emerging hotel, casting golden highlights across columns and partially completed walls, creating a cinematic scene of progress. First floors take shape as slabs and panels are carefully positioned, while interior framing begins for grand lobbies and future guest rooms. Engineers check every alignment multiple times, ensuring that each wall, beam, and support adheres perfectly to the design plans. Workers coordinate with cranes and machinery to lift beams and panels, their combined efforts giving life to the hotel's structural vision. From close-up inspections to wide aerial sweeps, every angle shows the growing superstructure, a blend of precision, labor, and architectural ingenuity. The rising hotel demonstrates both craftsmanship and meticulous planning, as each column, wall, and beam strengthens the overall form. With the superstructure fully emerging, the vision of this luxurious 5-star property comes alive, marking another milestone in the journey from concept to reality. With the hotel's structure complete, focus shifts to the exterior, where the building begins to reveal its luxurious identity. Massive glass panels are lifted carefully into place, reflecting the warm golden sunrise and transforming the facade into a shimmering spectacle. Workers align each panel with precision, checking measurements repeatedly to ensure a flawless, seamless surface that exudes modern elegance. Curtain wall systems are installed with meticulous care, combining steel and glass to create a strong yet visually stunning exterior that defines the hotel's grandeur. From aerial views, the building gleams, with sunlight bouncing off reflective surfaces and casting dynamic light patterns across the site. Close up, workers seal joints, polish edges, and apply finishing touches, ensuring every detail meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Balconies begin to take shape, featuring sleek glass railings and secure fittings, adding both sophistication and safety to the design. Decorative exterior cladding is installed, introducing texture and depth to the facade while emphasizing the luxury aesthetic. The grand entrance emerges, with glass doors and refined facade details, welcoming visitors to the elegance within. From cranes lifting panels to workers coordinating across scaffolding, the site hums with organized activity, each action contributing to the hotel's modern brilliance. Now, with the glass and exterior finishing in place, the hotel stands radiant and fully expressive of its luxurious 5-star design, a testament to careful planning, skilled craftsmanship, and architectural excellence. With the exterior complete, the hotel's interiors come alive with elegance and luxury. The lobby gleams with polished marble floors, while chandeliers cast soft reflections, highlighting every detail. Guest rooms are furnished with king-size beds, plush headboards, and luxurious linens, with curtains and warm lighting creating a welcoming ambience. Corridors take shape with polished floors, decorative wall panels, and lighting guiding visitors through the hotel's elegant pathways. The restaurant is arranged meticulously, with tables, chairs, and pendant lighting set to create a refined dining experience. In the lounge, plush sofas, coffee tables, and decorative plants complete the interior, blending sophistication with comfort. Every element, from furniture placement to lighting, is carefully orchestrated to reflect the hotel's luxurious identity. Soft ambient music harmonizes with the interiors, emphasizing elegance, warmth, and a sense of calm refinement throughout the spaces. From close-up details to wide shots of grand interiors, the hotel transforms into a masterpiece of comfort, style, and modern luxury.